Hey there from the GoodX team. Today I'm going to show you a popularly used PMB workflow that you can implement in your practice, which will simplify and reduce the stress of the patient's PMB enrollment process. Streamline your patient's PMB workflow using the Smart Sticker protocol, which, once set up, automates virtually the entire follow-up process. From assigning a PMB to your patient to even filling in the necessary medical documentation, GoodX takes the administrative weight off of your shoulders by simplifying this workflow. Before being able to proceed with your PMB workflow, some initial setup is required. However, this luckily only needs to be done once. For an in-depth and informative look into the setup of the smart stickers, be sure to take a look at the PMB registration suggested setup using Smart Stickers protocols, user manual linked below. Here is where you'll find a host of resources to easily guide you through the necessary steps in setting up your PMB smart stickers to suit the needs of your practice. Now that your PMB smart stickers have successfully been set up, I'm going to show you various ways in which you're able to add these stickers to your patient's profile. The first one is really simple and can be done by just clicking on your patient's booking, heading over to the clinical screen, and then over here you'll see the little nifty sticker button. This sticker button is also super conveniently available through your patient file screen. If your patient doesn't have a booking, that's completely okay because all you have to do is use your debtors screen. Search for your patient, click on the clinical button, and just make sure that you select the right patient from the list up here. Once again, the sticker button is available here on the clinical screen or on the patient file screen right up here. Another method would be by entering a specific ICD-10 code into the patient's script clinical event. Depending on the setup, this will trigger a prompt to open, which will inform you that you can add the PMB smart sticker linked with this ICD-10 code. The final method is from the invoice screen. Once again, this works by adding the ICD-10 code linked to the PMB, triggering the prompt mentioned before. Once your patient is linked to the PMB Smart Sticker protocol, the next step involves submitting the necessary paperwork involved. Gone are the days of filling in excessive amounts of paperwork, not only cluttering your workspace, but taking up your valuable time. Using the PDF printover feature, you can speed up your admin and reduce paper waste in an instant. Some initial setup might be required, and to do that, all you'll need to do is navigate to your settings screen and click on the Entity Settings tab. All of the templates of the forms available to your practice can be found under the Workflow Event Templates panel. A range of previously set up forms are available for use, which can be accessed through the Import Template function. All you have to do is choose the type of template you would like to import, and then click the Import Template button. A variety of forms are available for use, which you can select and save to your list. If there is a form you would like to use, but it hasn't been uploaded yet, then you can either contact your first client liaison for additional assistance, or you can even build the form yourself. If you would like to know a little bit more on how the PDF printover form setup works, and how best it could benefit your practice, head on over to the PDF printover demo linked in this video's description. Once setup for the form is done, all you have to do is add this form to your desired patient, and their information will automatically be pulled through from their electronic file. All that is left to be done is to submit this documentation to the medical aid, which is the simplest step of all. In order to do this, simply click on the email button that you can conveniently find at the bottom of each PDF printover form. An easy-to-use email workflow event template will open with a PDF printover already attached for convenience. Simply add the necessary recipients' names and complete the rest of the email as necessary. For added convenience, you can even click on the drop-down over here and choose from previously set up templates. After composing your email and adding any additional attachments if necessary, click on the send button to finalize your patient's PMB registration process. Not only are all clinical notes and forms stored securely on your site through GoodX servers, but you can even download a copy of the completed form directly onto your computer if necessary. Once you've submitted your registration to the medical aid and received feedback, updating the PMB status is easy. The PMB Smart Sticker is conveniently located on multiple sidebars throughout GoodX Web, which can be updated either manually or automatically, whichever works best for you and your practice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another good experience.